Hello and welcome to my channel. My name's Gene and today I'm going to be talking about this new travel tripod that I bought. I been using this Joby GorillaPod for quite a while, and I actually put a review on it, did a review, and I actually spoke quite highly of it. And at some point after that, some of the joints are getting loose, like this one. It's really loose. And I'll still use it for things like my GoPro or to hold a microphone, but I don't want to put my Sony a7 III on it. I'm afraid that it'll fall and break. And a while back, Peter McKinnon, he did a video about why he switched from the GorillaPod, and it was because it fell and broke one of his expensive lenses. So it is not a bad tripod, but I needed a replacement, and I had a very specific criteria. I wanted something that was lightweight, something that was small, and it had to be short enough to fit in the saddlebag of my motorcycle. And so I think I found it. The MEFOTO BackPacker S. And I will do a review of this once I have a chance to check it out. But for now, I'm just going to do an unboxing and see what my initial thoughts are. They're really proud of their branding. They have their branding on everything. Let's see, we got the instructions and a tool to tighten up the legs if you need it. Got a carrying case and tripod itself. A neat thing about this tripod that I found out is you can take this nut off the bottom here, and then you can take this section out, and then this one leg here you can unscrew. And now you have a monopod. And then it's easy to put back together. And then each leg has 4 sections, and then these two expands as well. And this little doohickey on the bottom right here, you can use it to hang a bag of rocks or something from the tripod so the wind doesn't blow it over, which can be handy. So so far, it looks like a really sturdy tripod, and it fits the criteria of being small enough to fit in my saddlebag on my motorcycle. So that is an important factor. As soon as I have a chance to use this and do some real-world tests, I will do a review on it. But until then, this is just an unboxing video, so thanks for watching and stay tuned for that review. And also I will do an updated review on the GorillaPod. Of course, you already know what I now think of the GorillaPod, so there's that. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next video.